Have you ever checked your application, order, or account and the status just doesn't change? It can feel confusing, stressful, and even frustrating. In this video, we'll explain why status updates get stuck and what you can do right now to fix or manage the situation. A frozen status doesn't always mean something is wrong. Often, it happens because processing is still happening in the background. Systems review data, verify documents, and run checks before updating. Technical delays. Servers, slow dashboards, or bugs may cause outdated information to display. Missing information. If documents are incomplete or unclear, the process can pause silently. Communication gaps. The update may have happened but wasn't clearly reflected in the system. Understanding the reason helps you respond logically instead of worrying. Start with quick fixes. Refresh the page. Log out and log back in. Clear browser cache or app data. Update the app or try another device. Switch networks or restart your router. If the problem continues, reinstalling the app often clears hidden errors and refreshes status data. Many systems have review queues. What looks stuck may actually be under review. Look for notices like pending verification, in processing, waiting for approval. If a timeline is provided, respect it first before escalating. A polite, direct message can save days of waiting. Clear questions get faster answers, and avoid misunderstandings. If your progress depends on performance, like job applications or requests, ask for constructive feedback. Is there anything preventing this from moving ahead? Feedback reveals missing steps, areas to improve, what to do next. Reflection plus adjustment equals progress. Track dates, screenshots, and reference numbers. Most systems update. They just take time. If nothing changes after the expected window, then contact support again with details. When your status doesn't change, check tech issues, confirm processing timelines, communicate clearly, ask for feedback, stay organized. You'll avoid stress and stay in control. For more information, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.